What's up, everybody? Scott here. Wanted to show you this netting I got with a zipper and drawstring for our blueberry bushes, as we got one here and then another one under repair over there, as we got to protect these from the birds and our dogs, as our dog likes to eat the blueberries. So main reason I got these is had a zipper and the size of them, and it does have a drawstring down here. So here is the zippered part. As you can see right here is the top. This is probably a little bit bigger than what I need, but I wanted to get a bigger one because I know this bush is going to continue to get bigger through the years. But this just zips down, and go ahead and zip it down. Alright, I got it all zippered up. As you can see, like I said, it is a little bit bigger than what I need, but I also got this netting in a 4-pack because we have an apple tree here that we're going to probably need to protect too. As you can see, it's got some apples growing right there. So make sure when you set this up or put this on your plant, whatever you want to say, make sure the drawstring is as tight as it can be, because if not, obviously it leaves a hole in the bottom here, which I did the first time, and birds still get in there. And then of course your dogs go after them, but just wanted to let you know that.